Welcome to Agri-Gadget Picks. Choosing the right protection for your home starts with understanding what makes best gutter guards truly effective. This guide highlights the top options that keep debris out, improve water flow, and reduce maintenance, helping you safeguard your roof and drainage system with confidence. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. RAPTOR 48 Feet Gutter Guard. The RAPTOR 48 Feet Gutter Guard offers a reliable blend of durability, smart engineering, and straightforward installation, making it an appealing choice for homeowners who want long-term protection without complications. Its stainless steel micro-mesh construction provides superior resistance to rust, warping, and harsh weather, while the V-bend and trough technology ensures optimal water flow and structural rigidity. This design prevents debris such as leaves, pine needles, roof grit, and even small pests from infiltrating your gutters. With maximum filtration and strength, it helps safeguard your home from issues like water damage, foundation erosion, and overflow problems. The kit includes self-tapping screws and fits 5-inch gutters or smaller, making DIY installation simple for most users. Another standout benefit is that it's WEU compliant and UL approved for rainwater collection, adding both quality assurance and eco-friendly functionality. Overall, it's a dependable, low-maintenance solution for improving drainage efficiency year-round. Number 2. AM 5-inch Gutter Guard. The AM 5-inch gutter guard stands out due to its heavy-gauge 0.18 aluminum construction, offering unmatched durability that won't rust, rot, or deteriorate over time. Made in the USA and backed by a lifetime warranty, it's designed for homeowners seeking long-lasting performance without constant upkeep. This guard features 380 small holes per linear foot, allowing it to handle heavy rainfall while remaining virtually invisible from the ground. It works seamlessly with hidden hangers and is compatible with most K-style systems, ensuring flexibility during installation. The 47-inch sections come with an overlap tab for smooth alignment, although #8 zip screws are required and not included. Its thoughtful design ensures strong water flow while keeping leaves, debris, and pests out of the system. Known for reliability and clean aesthetics, this gutter guard is a practical investment for homeowners who want efficient protection with an easy, user-friendly installation process that won't interfere with roof warranties. Number 3. Sukhavati 48-Foot Gutter Guard. The Sukhavati 48 Feet Gutter Guard delivers dependable performance through its stainless steel micro-mesh, paired with a sturdy aluminum frame, offering exceptional durability across all weather conditions. Each piece measures 48 inches long and 5.6 inches wide, providing ample coverage for standard 4 and 5-inch gutters. Its smart pitch technology adds a thoughtful design touch by maintaining a natural upward angle for improved water flow and reduced debris accumulation, all while keeping the guard properly aligned with the gutter system. The fine mesh effectively blocks pine needles, leaves, insects, and dirt while allowing consistent water passage during heavy rainfall. Homeowners will appreciate the simple screw-in DIY installation, eliminating the need for professional assistance. Compatible with most gutter types and roof lines, this guard ensures long-term functionality and smooth drainage, helping maintain clean, low-maintenance gutters throughout the year. It's a practical choice for those who want a balance of durability, filtration efficiency, and installation convenience. Number 4. WATERLOCK 6-inch Gutter Guard. The WATERLOCK 6-inch gutter guard is built for homeowners seeking heavy-duty protection paired with dependable American-made quality. Crafted from thick 0.19 gauge aluminum, it features a multi-patented interlocking system that strengthens the entire gutter structure once installed. Its double-rib frame encourages airflow for natural self-cleaning, preventing leaves, seeds, pests, and even birds from entering the gutter system. This guard is designed to handle heavy rainfall, while its smaller holes slow water enough to reduce overflow. Available in white, black, or mill finish, the sections are 4 feet long and include matching screws for a seamless appearance. The WATERLOCK system eliminates routine clogging issues and protects against leak stains, gutter sagging, and ice or snow buildup. Overall, it's a tough, reliable option for long-term gutter management with minimal maintenance demands.
Number 5. Superior DIY Gutter Guard. The Superior DIY Gutter Guard offers a practical and well-designed solution for homeowners wanting dependable gutter protection without hiring a professional. Built in the USA using stainless steel micromesh and mill-finished aluminum rails, it's engineered to handle harsh weather conditions while preventing debris, pests, insects, and small animals from clogging gutters and downspouts. Its raised design micromesh helps lift and disperse debris, allowing rainwater to flow smoothly into the gutter system, reducing overflow and long-term buildup. Installation is simple and fast, thanks to a DIY-friendly construction accompanied by clear instructions. This makes it ideal for homeowners looking for efficiency and long-lasting durability without complications. With strong materials and thoughtful engineering, this gutter guard delivers dependable year-round performance and helps maintain clean, functional gutters with minimal effort.
Choosing the best gutter guards ultimately comes down to reliable performance and long-term protection. With the right option in place, your home stays cleaner, safer, and better prepared for any season. Use these insights to select a design that supports smooth water flow and keeps your maintenance needs low year-round.